Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Maybe you just collected a lot of stuff and you just want to start fresh again. Maybe you got a new phone and you want to sell this one. So you need to go to your settings and the first thing you want to do is to log out of your Huawei ID. So we say log out. Keep a copy of cloud data. No, remove from device. And now we need to enter our password here. And we are now successfully logged out, removing cloud data. And now we can say system and updates, and you can click on reset. And we have reset all settings, reset network settings, or reset phone. We want to reset our phone. This will delete all data from your device, including accounts, app data, and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, files, security chip content, and locally stored system apps and personal data. Reset phone, we need to verify with our PIN. Reset phone, resetting your device will erase all system data, installed apps, your personal files, such as music and photos, will be permanently deleted. This cannot be undone. To prevent data loss, it is advised that you back up this device before resetting it. Do not back up your data to the internal storage. All right, reset phone, erasing, please wait. So now we're back at the start. You can choose your language, make emergency calls, or set your reading aid here. So that's how you can reset your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.